Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam, and today I'm going to show you how to remove people from Slack. Just open up the Slack right here, and what you're going to do, just go ahead and just see right here the article. Right here's how to remove someone from your desktop. Just go ahead and click your workspace name next to the sidebar, and hover over tools and settings, and then select manage members, and then click the three dots icon to the right of the member that you would like to remove, and then select remove from workspace. So basically, in a nutshell, that's how it's done. And basically, if you want to see how it's done visually, just go ahead right here and see. For example, you're gonna see right here notifications and members. Go ahead and click on the members of that group, for example, and then select the member that you want to delete from your this Slack, and just see right here this person, for example. Just go ahead and click remove from that group or whatever it might be, right? So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.